Hi, today I want to talk to you about action and the critical importance of taking the right actions. And I'll explain how you can do this and why it is so important. Now, first of all results and all goals are actually obtained by taking action. So actions are the measurement of results. If you take no action, you'll get no results. And if you take the wrong actions, you may get some results and not necessarily the ones that you want. A great quote I have from William James is, action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. So it's super important that you become a prolific action taker and you ensure you take the right actions. Now, the reason this is so important is we love bright, shiny objects, and most humans love variety, and therefore we allow ourselves to be distracted. Most of us move away from sameness or repetitive tasks because we feel they're boring or they're too hard or they're such an effort. And we are motivated by how we feel most of the time. New and interesting things are exactly that. They're interesting. They make us feel more inspired than doing the same old things that you know really will help you achieve your results. And another phrase that I use is, success is often a result of committing to the fundamentals over and over again. Athletes have to do a lot of repetition over and over again to lock in the moves or the skills to be able to achieve the results that they want in their sport. So let's have a look at your goals. So pick a goal that you want to achieve. It can be related to business, career, income, wealth, health, fitness, whatever it is. Reverse engineer and get super clear as to what are the 4 or 5 behaviors or actions that you need to take every day consistently, and what are the actions that you must take on a weekly basis. So for instance, if you're running a business, you may have 3 or 4 actions related to sales. It could be ensuring that you make 5 calls each day. It could be ensuring that you always do your follow-ups, or you always have a short meeting with your staff or your team player. It could be ensuring you plan your day, you review your day, and as a weekly task, it could be ensuring you look at your figures, your stats, and you review your week. So write down your non-negotiable daily tasks and your weekly ones, and these are what you want to focus on. These become your absolute must-dos. And by focusing on the actions, you will start to prove to yourself that you can do what's necessary. If you do them each and every day, you will become more consistent. And by focusing on the actions, you're letting go of the outcome. The outcome will be achieved if you take the right actions consistently. And another really important point for doing this is, when you start to take the actions, whether or not you feel like doing them, you start to prove to yourself that you can do what it takes. You have what it takes. You become more trustworthy for yourself, and you also build momentum. When you tick off each task each and every day and every week, and you review them on a weekly basis, reward yourself and have a celebration in your head. When you do that, that little bit of dopamine that is released will raise your energy levels. You will feel more inspired, give you that sort of inner moment of joy, and from that energy level, you will then be more likely to keep going and to focus on achieving and reaching your goals. So make sure that you break your tasks into small action steps, log them on a daily and a weekly basis, tick them off, reward yourself along the way, have little celebrations so you get that shot of dopamine. You start to prove to yourself that you can do them. Get on and do them. Don't listen to that chatter in the head. And if you focus on doing the right actions intentionally, consistently, and reward, you will not only achieve what you want, you will build your muscle of self-control or willpower, which makes everything else so much easier when you have disciplines and repeated actions, so that you're forming helpful habits. And ultimately, habits are also the foundation of success. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any feedback. Please like my channel and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you. It's Mandy Napier, Mindset for Success.